What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video we're going to review Explaindio Video Bundle 2020, where I'm actually going to include a unique bonus package, and I'm also going to show you how to make money online with this insanely video bundle, I would say, because I never seen any offer like this before, and I don't know if they are going to do this again. So what you need to do here is pay attention, watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information, because this is crazy deal really. So with that being said, let's get started to have a look at what this is all about and how you can benefit from this super offer. Let's get started. Okay, first off, when you purchase it, it will look something like this here. I got access to all the softwares here and have tested them, and I thought about it, but it will take too much time if I open every single software here and demonstrate it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the sales page here, and I'm also going to play a small little clip so you can see what every software is going to do for you. Alright, let's have a look at it from the top here, and this I do recommend, of course, that you're going to have a look at it at your own pace, okay? So you can see the video sales ladder, and there's no need for me to play the video here, it will just take too long time. Now this is the Explaindio team, and Andrew and his team, they do know how to create software for someone that don't have any previous experience to actually create outstanding videos. Okay, so these are super easy. The tutorials, I had a look at them earlier here. They are so easy just to get started with, to create, as I said, outstanding videos here. So let's scroll down a little bit to see what you're actually getting. First off, you get a full commercial license for each and every app. So this means that you can sell the videos here, okay? That means, of course, that you can make money online with these softwares. So let's scroll down here and see this. Here they explain actually what you are getting. And you can see here first we have the Explaindio video effects, which allows you to add fantastic effects. We have the story XY, create fully interactive 3D animated videos. I'm going to show you this. This is insane actually. You can see here you get the commercial license, clip to GIF. You create GIFs actually from video clips. We had vidvamp, which means that you can revamp videos that you already have to skyrocket results. Really impressive software too. Then we have the stop motion creator. You're going to see what this is all about also. And we have the Motiony, world's best live picture video creator. And on top of that you are getting also Explaindio 8 apps and video toolbox there. So if I scroll down a little bit, this is the first one. We have the video effects there. Works really simple and straightforward. You just drag a video, you choose an effect, and you're ready to go, okay? So I did this earlier here. You can have a look at the free demonstration if you wanted to see the effects there. This is super cool. Okay, you create fully interactive 3D animated videos in seconds, literally. So I'm laughing because it is exactly as they say here. I'm going to play a small piece of the video here so you can see what kind of videos you can create here, okay?
Hey, it's Andrew, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the state-of-the-art new 3D interactive video animation software that we've been designing and developing for the last 18 months. Interactive 3D animated videos, just like this one you're watching right now.
Okay, so you could see how cool is that, okay? And it takes you minutes actually. It's super easy to get started with this. Then we have the clip to GIF, so I'm not gonna play it, but you know what a GIF is, and this is just a quick example here, okay? So it allows you to make fascinating viral marketing animated GIF images in the new way top marketers, viral content producers, and top brands do it. And it is as simple as 1, 2, 3. You load actually the video there, you select, you do some settings that you want to, and you just render it, and you're ready to go with this. Then we have the vidvamp. Here we have the demo, okay?
Now let's see what we've made. Wow, that
Okay, so I had to play this to show you actually, so you can see how cool and fast this really went to do it, okay? Really super impressive, I would say. Then we have the stop motion creator, so I'm just going to play a few seconds here for this, so you can see.
Did that catch your attention?
Okay, so you could see that that is that kind of video that you can create with this software, all right? So you see that you have endless opportunities here to make videos. And then we have Motiony, and with Motiony you can see here you take a picture, any kind of picture, and look at this. This is the result. And this took about 30 or 40 seconds when I saw the demonstration actually. Goes super fast to do this kind of animations from just a picture, all right? So that is also a really, really impressive software. And finally you have the Explaindio Toolbox app bundle here. So you can see that there is anything from a video converter, audio converter, video marker, split screen, watermark maker, and so on there. Really, really impressive. On top of that, they have actually a really cool bonus also. You can see here you get a full-fledged video editor for Windows and Mac there also. Alright, so you get all these softwares for an insanely low price of $27. I mean, this is a no-brainer, okay? Get started with creating videos has never been easier before with this software. I mean, this is really insane, okay? So I'm going to actually leave the sales page here now. There is a few upsells here. It totally depends on you, all right? You can definitely go ahead and get started with this. But if you want to get a pro bundle, if you want to get an agency bundle or some other upsell, have a look at it. It totally depends on you and your budget there. But as I said, you can definitely get started with this video bundle here alone, all right? Now, let's have a look at my unique bonus, because I want to make this a no-brainer for you so you can get started to make money online in 2020 and beyond there. All right, so I'm going to include my course, which is Audio Video Mastery. You can see here it sells for $27, and what this is, you can see here, you can create audio and video productions like a pro, fast and easy, that converts with results. All right. So basically, I got started with this, that I found a loophole in Camtasia, and I found how I could improve that in less than a minute, which the sound there was not so good in Camtasia, all right? And you can do a search for yourself if you don't believe me. The importance of sound is, in my opinion, a 50% of a good video production there, definitely. So what I did is I got started with this, but I then moved on to create a full-blown course where I had 10 over-the-shoulder training videos inside here. All right. There is also some bonuses, of course. I'm going to show you here real soon. The members area. I held a free live training webinar, was very popular back then. You're going to see the replay and learn tons of stuff inside here, okay? And then we have my private black book and cheat and checklists. So you get all this, all right? Now, let me show you a little bit. This is how it looks in my members area. And what I do here is I actually teach on live examples that are uploaded and running, okay? It's not that I just show you what the feature does. This is a transition. This is how you should do it. No. This is actually real live examples. I show you everything from start to finish, how you can create a great tutorial video, like here, for example. Let me play a little bit for you.
I did a smooth transition here, so no one really is going to pay attention. And I also edited a lot of videos here because...
Okay, so I do explain. These are long tutorials. They are about well over 15 minutes every tutorial here. So I do show you with results actually, okay? It's much better to teach and learn this way because instead of getting started to have a look at all the features, you probably forget them when you need them. So it's better to have a look at this. Let me show you another example, how to use footage. I show you how to find free royalty-free footage, how to download them with music and upload a full completed video like this, where I did about weight loss actually. So okay, you see here I play back. I do show you, as I said, everything you need to learn actually the ins and outs about Camtasia. So with this training and of course the Explaindio Video Bundle, this is definitely a no-brainer. I mean, I sell Auidovideomastery for 27 and you get all these tools for 27 and my course if you grab it through my link, of course. Okay, so how can you make money online with this? Well, it's super easy. I'm just going to give you two quick ideas. One is you can go to a freelance site, Fiverr, you can go to Upwork, for example, and if I just type video, the opportunities are endless, okay? But what you can do is you can create a gig here, for example. I can make a clip to GIF for you, an impressive GIF, do a demonstration there, and you can charge $5. I mean, it takes a minute, all right? So it's super easy to do this kind of videos, so you can really make money, all right? What you need to do is you're going to have, you need to do a research here and make sure you stand out. I just gave you the clip to GIF. I don't know if people are doing it, but it could be a great way to market and separate from all the other people here. But you see what people are charging here, 23 euros. This is approximately $25, $50 approximately here. Create eye-catching explainer or promotional video, all right? You can do this easily with the bundle that you saw earlier here. And if you don't want to go the freelance route, well, a simple solution, I shared this in the past, what you can do is you can go to offline businesses and offer them these kind of videos. Even if they don't have any website or a channel, they can actually create one for free. So you can charge, let's say for example, that you can take $50 for uploading it, set up a YouTube channel or something like that, which makes you even more money with these kind of opportunities here. So the opportunities are really endless here. I mean, if you just go to an offline business and offer any kind of animated videos here, you can easily charge anything from $100 up to $200, okay? Easily, I mean, really you can. So it totally depends on the project there. But on top of that, you can do a lot of upsells to these clients, because 99% they will probably be satisfied with what you are doing there, so they will come back to you for another video, or they might want a website or some other services. That's why I recommend the offline route. It is super easy to get started with. Just go out, search, talk with people, and you can definitely make them to purchase at least a video in the beginning. Sell it low in the beginning, tell them that you want to get some testimonials or something like that. Get started with it, and when you get a few testimonials and you get some good results, you definitely are going to get more job there. So there you have it about Explaindio Video Bundle 2020 and my unique bonus package. You find a link right here below. If you're on my website, you find the bottom, just click that. If you're on YouTube, you find it in the description. Now, what you need to do, since this is going through ClickBank, is that you need to send your receipt to my Gmail. You see the Gmail inside the description here also. So you need to send that to me so I can give you access to my unique bonus package. All right? I will verify and see that you have purchased it, and then of course you will get that bonus package. That's it, Explaindio Video Bundle 2020. Speechless, I would say, because this is an insanely crazy deal. So make sure you take advantage of it and go ahead and get started to make some serious money online with this bundle package here. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.